What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously, you can tell by the title down below, we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of August. If you guys don't know, this is like their luxurious box. It's always curated by some type of celebrity makeup artist, something like that. And this is the big grande box that costs, I think, $60 now, which is crazy to say. But yeah, I paid $60 for this box, so, or 60 something. If I know the exact price, I'll put it on the screen here for you guys. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video. You guys know the gist. If you like videos like this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl, Senior D. And let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so this is my Ipsy Glam Bag X, and I will tell you this box went through it. When I got it, this hole was in here, so I don't know if they got punched, if it got thrown around, if a mouse or something tried to eat into this, but this is what this box looks like. It is purple, which is the color of this box every single month when we get it, and then this is what it looks like when we go ahead and open it up. So this month, like I said, every single time there is a Glam Bag X, which is the big grande luxurious box. It's always curated by some type of celebrity, some type of celebrity makeup artist. This month it was curated by Miss Alicia Keys herself. If you guys don't know, she actually has her own beauty brand. It is Keys. She started off with more like skincare, and now she's starting to get into like more like natural types of like makeup, because that's what she wears generally. She's not really like a huge makeup glam girl. She was back in the day. Now she's more like a naturalist, but she still likes to have a little bit of flush of color. So then she came out with like lip tints, cheek tints, things like that, along with like her skincare. So I would probably expect we have her skincare somewhere in this bag or box realistically. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. So starting off right off the bat, we've got an item by one size. This was an item I did actually pick out for myself that they gave us an option to do. This is in Fair 1N. This is the Very Fair Neutral Rosy Undertone. It just says our medium to full coverage powder foundation to help blur unwanted texture. So I don't know if this is actually going to fit me now, since I am a little bit more on the tan side, but we are going to go ahead and open this up. I was actually very excited to see that this was an option for me to choose, but I don't know if I think I'd more or less use this as like a setting powder than actually a foundation, just because it is on the Very Fair side. So I think that might be really good just to kind of like blur underneath, if it can work for me that way. So there is that. I don't know the prices, but I definitely know we got our bang for our buck. Normally when I like curate this box, it already tells me like what the full price value of this box is going to be, but it did not do that for me this time. So the one size powder though is $33. Then the next product we have in here actually is a part of the Keys brand. This is her Skin Transformation Cream. Seems very heavy. I've actually seen the packaging inside Ulta. So that itself is going to be worth, where are you at? That says roller exfoliator. The transformation cream is $32, and this is what it looks like right here. It's just in a nice little jar. So that's fun. So we did get a Keys product. I do own one Keys product before this, and it is the, what is that? The Illuminating Primer, something like that. So that's what I have. Then we have a Patrick Ta item in here. This is the Major Glow Softening Lip Mask for your lips, and this is in She's Juicy. So that's really fun. We got a Patrick Ta item. Every Patrick Ta item I've gotten so far has been from BoxyCharm or Ipsy. I haven't had to purchase one quite yet, but I am excited that this was in here for us. Now, I don't know if it's going to be anywhere on here. I don't even see it. For me to talk about it. Huda, Bobbi Brown, Vanessa Marks, Uma, Pat McGrath. I don't see Patrick Ta anywhere. Did they mess up? Because I don't see him on here. Okay, so this is an item I'm going to have to go ahead and look up somewhere else because I don't see it anywhere on here. But again, it is a lip mask. Let's go ahead and open it up really quickly just to see what it looks like. Cute. It's in his, like, his normal gold packaging or rose gold packaging. Has a little bit of like a minty peppermint smell to it, so that's really nice. Okay, cool. So we've got that from Patrick Ta. Okay, so then moving on, I need to move that stuff over there really quickly. Then we have this LYS multi-use liquid highlighter. Ooh. So I've only have the I have the LYS bronzer, the LYS primer, and then now this is a highlighter in Aim High. I'm unsure though if that's going to be like a good undertone for me though. I'm afraid I don't want to open it though at the same time either. So we're going to put that off to the side, but I will have to take a look at that and see. It says it's a champagne shade. Sometimes champagne shades can be really like golden, or they can be very like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like very nude, not nude, fair, I guess. I don't know. It shows it what it looks like in here on the picture, so maybe that's very true, but it seems very gold for like a champagne shade. It's $19, so that is what that is worth. Then we have a Tula 24/7 Power Swipe Hydrating Day and Night Eye Balm. So I think I have their original eye balm, and I think this is like a, yeah, so I have the original one. I think this is their newer one that has the probiotics and superfood. The other one's just the regular one, which I'm currently actually using right now, and it is a really, really good product. So I definitely love Tula, and I'm excited that they actually put this in here. Let's see if it is anywhere on here for us to say Tula Skin. So this is $38. That's crazy. Okay, the next item in here, which felt like there was nothing in it, is by Uma Beauty. This is the Baby Hair Precise Brow Pencil. It's in shade 02. So we're going to take a gander at that to see if that's even my shade. Oh, I just completely lost it. I had to pull it back. Okay, packaging, A+. Really, really beautiful. As for the shade, I'm afraid to swatch it because I don't want it to be the wrong shade. So I might need to look this up to see exactly if that's my shade or not before I do anything with it. But if anything at all, I'll put it in my collection and use it when I do other people's makeup. So that's really nice. So we have a beautiful brow pencil by Uma Beauty. Anything I've gotten from Uma Beauty actually has turned out very nice for me. That is $22 for that brown pencil. Then we've got, this is my first Danessa Myrick beauty product. Oh my god, I'm excited. I hear everyone talk about Danessa Myrick all the time. And I know she just came out with that really like cool foundation, I think, recently. So yeah. Okay, what is this? This is the Dewy Cheek Lip Palette. Ooh, this seems really fun. So this is what it looks like here, and then you can actually see it in the picture. It's this one right here, sorry. That one right here. And that looks really, really cool. I just don't have the patience to try and open this and try and get it out if I can. Oh my god, this is where I need tweezers for. Take it and you pop it open like that. Look at this. This is super pretty. But I will say this is $32. Hello. The plastic, I'm sorry, the plastic container looks very childish, I will say. I'm very just surprised this wasn't in something a little bit more nicer. If this is worth $32 though, I'm just gonna say. So the different shades you have in here is Tease, which is this more mauve shade. This bright pink shade is XO. This more coral shade is Sweet Cheeks, and this more like muted one is Coquette. So that's really nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited to have this in my collection. Like I haven't tried anything from Danessa Myrick yet, and I've been wanting to, but I just haven't really, you know, wanted to spend the money on it quite yet. So that's really exciting that we got that in here. And then there's one more product, get this box off of my lap, that I can't tell what it is unless I open it because it's in the bubbler. So this last one is from Lawless. Okay, so Lawless is a brand that's also in Sephora, just like LYS, Patrick Ta, One Size. I don't know if Tula's in there. I know Tula's definitely in Ulta. Keys, I don't know if that's in Sephora, but I definitely know that's in Ulta. But Lawless, I do know, is in Sephora, and this is their eyeshadow palette. This is the Baby One eyeshadow palette. It is worth $25. It has a balance of brown, rich rose, crimson, plummy tones, complements the skins and eyes in different ways. It is in a like cardboard packaging. Does have a magnetic close to it, and then this is what it looks like. So these are very pretty shades, but I feel like I have so many shades like this in my collection that I don't need another palette like this. So this will be going into the giveaway for this month. So it means I've got one box left to unbox, which would be my Ipsy Glam bag. Not Ipsy, I'm sorry, it would be my BoxyCharm Premium? Or yeah, it's my BoxyCharm Premium that still has yet to come. So I've yet to even get an email saying that it's shipped yet, so hopefully we'll see what happens. But that is everything that I received in this box for Ipsy Glam Bag X. So now that you guys have seen everything that we received in the Ipsy Glam Bag X, what are your guys' thoughts down below? I feel like I am very wowed and blown away. Every single item that has come in this box, I'm actually very intrigued and very excited to try out. Yeah. So again, leave me your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because again, you don't want to miss any future giveaways because there definitely will be one in the video coming soon after this one. Also, what do you guys think of my makeup today? I did a whole film video trying on brand new makeup to me, new makeup to the market. If you guys haven't seen that video, which should be up before this one, make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. Have it in the description bar down below. I'll also have it linked over here for you guys, or also at the end of the video. Somewhere in there, it will be there for you guys to look at it and see my thoughts if you haven't watched it yet. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Again, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl, Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. I definitely messed up my whole complete outro, but you know, we're just gonna roll with it. Bye, guys.